Psalm 34:18. The Lord is near to the broken-hearted, and saves the crushed in spirit. Matthew 5:4. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Isaiah 41:10. Fear not, for I am with you, be not dismayed. For I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Psalm 23:4. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. 2 Corinthians 1:3-4. Blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of mercies and God of all comfort, who comforts us in all our affliction, so that we may be able to comfort those who are in any affliction, with the comfort with which we ourselves are comforted by God. In times of sorrow, grief, or despair, the comforting promise that God provides solace serves as a source of profound strength. His unwavering support assures us that, even in the darkest moments, divine comfort is a steadfast companion, offering hope and guiding us towards healing.